I just broke the news to Angela about going to a cat show with me today. How do you feel? You
I'm
ready?
I'm interested.
Okay.
And just 25 minutes later, we arrived to the perfect destination.
Fanciest cats in town.
When we first walked into the Taylor Trade Center, we had no idea what to expect. But once we passed the samurai swords, popcorn, and essential oils, we arrived at the cat show. There were beautiful award ribbons everywhere. Licensed CFA judges independently ranked cats, and top cats earned points on a regional and national level. But not everyone was there to show or judge these kitties. Supporter and local resident Carol Bowman says there's a lot more to do at the cat show.
Some of the veterinarians will be here, and so yeah, it's informative.
The cat show was full of surprises. There were celebrity sightings, great people, and we even got a few souvenirs of our own.
I'm really glad I came. Had a lot of fun, and it was just a nice time, an experience that I'm glad I